how to easily change the wipers on your Mercedes. So we've got the door open, ignition is off. So we turn foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, so 2 presses. So that's ignition on, door open, wipers are turned off. So we're going to turn the ignition fully off, press and hold the washer button. This will bring the wipers up into park position. You can lift the arms up, change the blades. You can then pull them up, and then if you tilt the wiper so as it's leaning against the top, you can then pull this section up and down, and this will free the wiper. So make sure your knob at the bottom, a little sticky out, goes in. Again, make sure this is tilted up, and there we go. And then when you're done, if you get back in the car, turn the ignition on again, 2 clicks, operate the wipers, and they will return.